sklearn cross decomposition CCA. Input 1 explain in detail two sets of multidimensional data, where each set represents different views or perspectives of the same underlying phenomenon. For instance, one set might be gene expression data, and the other might be clinical data. Input 2 explain in detail the data is expected to be in the form of NumPy arrays or pandas. Data frames, where each row corresponds to a sample and each column corresponds to a feature. Output 1 explain in detail a set of canonical variables, also known as canonical components, for each input data set. These variables represent linear combinations of the original features and capture the maximum correlation between the two sets of data. Output 2 explain in detail the correlation coefficients, also known as canonical correlations, between the corresponding canonical variables, indicating the strength of the relationships between the data sets. Step 1 explain in detail the CCA algorithm finds a set of linear transformations for each input data set. These transformations aim to project the data into lower dimensional spaces, where the canonical variables' linear combinations of the original features maximize the correlation between the two projected data sets. Step 2 explain in detail the transformations are computed by solving a generalized eigenvalue problem, where the eigenvalues represent the squared canonical correlations and the eigenvectors correspond to the weights of the linear transformations. Metric 1 explain in detail canonical correlations between the canonical variables. Provide a measure of the strength of association between the two data sets. Metric 2 explain in detail explained variance, which represents the proportion of variance in the original data that is captured by the canonical variables. Visualization plot 1 explain in detail scatter plots of the canonical variables can be used to visualize the relationships between the two data sets. Visualization plot 2 explain in detail bar plots can be used to visualize the weights of the linear transformations, highlighting the relative contributions of different features to the canonical variables. Parameter 1 explain in detail n components. This parameter specifies the number of canonical variables to extract. Typically, a smaller number of components is sufficient to capture the most significant relationships between the data sets. Parameter 2 explain in detail regularization. This parameter introduces regularization to the CCA model, which helps to prevent overfitting and improve the stability of the solution. Uncertainty method 1 explain in detail bootstrapping can be used to estimate the uncertainty of canonical correlations and the weights of the linear transformations. Uncertainty method 2 explain in detail cross-validation can be used to evaluate the model's performance on unseen data and estimate the generalization error. Challenge 1 explain in detail high dimensionality of the input data sets can lead to computational challenges and potentially unstable results. Sample use case that resulted in challenge 1 when analyzing high dimensional genomic data. The number of features genes can be significantly larger than the number of samples, leading to computational complexity and potential overfitting. Fixes to challenge 1 dimensionality reduction techniques, e.g., PCA. Feature selection can be applied to the input data sets before performing CCA, reducing the number of features and improving computational efficiency. Challenge 2 explain in detail nonlinear relationships between the data sets may not be adequately captured by CCA, which is a linear method. Sample use case that resulted in challenge 2 analyzing data from different biological experiments, where the underlying relationships are not strictly linear, might require nonlinear methods for optimal analysis. Fixers to challenge to consider nonlinear methods like kernel CCA or other nonlinear dimensionality. Reduction techniques to capture complex relationships between the data sets.